Toxicologists with UVA Health are trying to spread the word on a potentially deadly substance that's been spotted in Virginia's illegal drug supply, as well as across the U.S. and Canada. Jacob Phillips shares what that drug is and the dangers it can cause. Good evening, Jacob.
Steve, the drug is called medetomidine. It's a veterinary sedative that's made its way to Virginia's illegal drug supply, now being found in various other drugs like fentanyl, opioids, and more.
The question is, what is the presence of this medetomidine actually doing in the patient?
Avery McKenzie is Assistant Medical Director of UVA's Blue Ridge Poison Center. Medetomidine, she says, is not made for humans.
Medetomidine is a veterinary sedative that is really only approved for veterinary use.
McKenzie says the drug is now showing up more and more frequently in the illegal drug supply.
Is kind of popping up in drug seizures now as an adulterant in predominantly the opioid supply. So they have seen it most often as an adulterant with fentanyl, but there also are some reports of it with heroin and cocaine.
The reason it's ending up in other drugs has to do with cost. McKenzie says additives can potentially make these already deadly drugs worse.
If it's used in conjunction with an opioid, both of which cause people to be really sleepy, is that people are higher risk for aspiration. So if they vomit or something happens when they're sleepy, then they kind of don't have control over their airway. They can't cough that stuff up, and they're at risk for infections and stuff from that.
McKenzie says more work is being done to fully understand the effects of medetomidine. Live in the newsroom, Jacob Phillips, 29 News at 5.